Hello guys, Fred here from Pro Tennis Trader. I hope you're well. So in this video, I'm going to be covering the in-play analysis for WTA. So we just finished the US Open and the ATP Tour is taking a little break. So I'm going to be trading a fair bit of WTA this week. So I thought it'd be useful to just run through the metrics that you're looking for to give you the confidence and the go-ahead to trade the first set loser in WTA. So this was a match that I did select yesterday with Kudermetova and Stakusic. Now this was a no trade. We'll go through the stats, but I've got a useful table here, basically just going through the metrics that you want to be looking at for the first set loser, obviously to give you the green light to trade the second set. Now, this is available for download on my website, protennistrader.teachable.com and protennistrader.com. You can find a link in the description box below. So, the first one you want to be looking at, by the way, Kudermetova won this first set. She was the favourite. So, of course, we are a bit stricter looking at the underdog. She was priced at 1.62 going into this. So first off, I do have a look at aces and double faults. 4 double faults, first of all, was a bit of a alarm bell on Stakusic. The key ones, first serve percentage. Now 43% is very low. Now real green light is 60-68%. Under 58%, it's unlikely. So this is basically for a bounce back in the second set. First service points 1, again, very low, 44%. Now, admittedly, from Kudermetova, these were also quite low stats. It was essentially quite a messy first set. First service points 1, very unlikely according to the table. Second service points 1, again on the low side, so 33%. So we've got 3 sort of alarm bells already here at 40%. Okay, so breakpoints created. So if they've created more than 3, then again they've got the green light for a bounce back lightly on this particular metric. And then mixed amber, 2 chances, 1 chance. Now actually there were 6 breakpoints created in this first set, so that actually works in her favour. Of course, we've still got those other alarm bells. Breakpoints converted, 33%, which was 2 out of 6, which is actually not bad. Again, I mean, we're in amber there at 33%. So had she not had those other alarm bells, that would have obviously been something to bear in mind. Now, winners versus unforced Winners versus unforced errors. Now, unfortunately, because this wasn't a major matchup in a major tournament, Flash Scores hasn't provided this. But of course, I've spoken about the winners versus unforced errors ratio in a number of my videos. And essentially, ideally, you want to see more winners than unforced errors. Or that number, just, the 2 numbers very close together. You don't want to see a huge gap between low winners and high unforced errors. Now, that is a factor that I talk about a lot in my ATP analysis. Okay, then we have return points 1. Now again, this was not bad at all, 50%. So that was a positive. However, with all of the other red lights there, this was a no trade. Total points 1, obviously, I mean, that's a given that it should be over 40%, whether that's in WTA or ATP. Now, actually, Stakusic did come back in the second set, but it was incredibly messy with her broken twice. And yeah, you just wouldn't want to have traded that at all. There would have been numerous hedges. Now, of course, the approach that I take in WTA is quite a bit different to my ATP. And if you're interested in learning how to trade WTA and ATP, then of course you can do so on my website by joining Pro Tennis Traders Sports Trading Academy, protennistrader.com and protennistrader.teachable.com. Now, I hope you found this video useful. And for members, you can download this cheat sheet, obviously along with a load of other tools to help you be a much more profitable tennis trader. Now, if you would like to begin your journey into tennis trading, you can of course do at protennistrader.teachable.com, where I offer the full package to get you up and running as a professional tennis trader. You can start off with my free video course, a free introduction into tennis trading. If you would like to join the complete one, that provides absolutely everything you need and also includes a month of platinum traders. Now, I am also a Forex trader and I offer the one Forex strategy on my website. And of course, please do follow me on YouTube, Pro Tennis Trader, where you can find loads of trading videos, in-play analysis, trading psychology, and a lot more. Until the next time, good luck with your trading, and I'll speak to you soon.